Date, Thursday, November 30th, 2023, 1901. Subject, 1-year anniversary of the final hearing of Case J01BD073 Manningham Housing Association. V. Hussein and Hussein. 2. DJ Louise Wilcox. DJ Andrew Mitchell. HHJ Mark Gosnell. CC, Bradford County, Inquiries, Tracy Hutchinson. Louise Holmes, Nick Goodwin, John Robbins, Jody Clifford, Graham Kenner, Christopher Browl, Jonathan Smith, Lee Bloomfield, Mark Cheeseman, Nazneen Zafar, Rishi Sunak, Sarah Castle. Dear Coalition of My Brother's Persecutors, COMBP, particularly the privately commissioned out judges on this case at the county court. It has now been the first-year anniversary of what was meant to be a final hearing listed on this day 30th of November 2022. Where it became clear to me at the time that I was being subjected to a clear fraud on the court at the time. Given the hearing was listed as a final hearing but then changed impromptu to a case management hearing on the day for the benefit of the true instigator of these proceedings, namely Bradford Council, and where an injunction order had been secured to force my compliance to assist in a mental capacity assessment to be undertaken on my brother. A year later, and despite your best efforts, no mental capacity assessment has been completed and furnished to the courts, but you all insist on continuing and ignoring the truly independent mental capacity assessment I had submitted on this very day a year ago directly to the judge. Please see the forwarded email. You all now tell me I am wasting your time and resources by contacting you and the courts directly, when the reality is that you are all wasting my time and resources by targeting me under a sinister, malevolent enterprise which has now resulted in my vulnerable brother being unlawfully kidnapped from my care and held hostage against his wishes, being detained by the mastermind of this ill-gotten enterprise, namely Bradford Council, just as they had done in my mother's case, resulting in her premature death. It has now been 114 days since my brother's abduction, and we as his family are worried sick about him. He is now going to end up dying in the unlawful care and custody of the local authority Bradford Council, and you all shall be equally held fully accountable and liable for his death, which can be avoided. Please review the following published videos now in the public domain, with the view to having this prolonged zombie case thrown out and these proceedings brought to an end. Emails following the 30th of November 2022 hearing. Consisting of the following 9 videos. Total playlist time, 1 hour 8 minutes and 45 seconds. 1. 0 hours 1 minute and 49 seconds, 30 November 22, skeleton argument at final hearing. 2. 0 hours 8 minutes and 13 seconds, 25 and 28 Mar 22, witness and position statement to dismiss case before DDJ Maudsley. 3. 0 hours 3 minutes and 21 seconds, 30 November 22, mental capacity refusal letter to DJ Wilcox. 4. 0 hours 9 minutes and 3 seconds, 1 to 5 Deck 22, emails seeking permission to appeal order of the 30th of November 2022. 5. 0 hours 11 minutes and 23 seconds, 04 November 18, Talib granting Shazad power of attorney. 6. 0 hours 3 minutes and 1 second, 17 April 19, Talib signs his power of attorney before professionals. 7. 0 hours 21 minutes and 27 seconds, 06 August 21, Nelly Support Limited, mental capacity assessment. 8. 0 hours 6 minutes and 1 second, 18 July 23, claimant's case to be struck out. 9. 0 hours 4 minutes and 27 seconds, 05 July 22, DJ Hickenbottom seeking to strike out case. This collection, comprising of 9 videos of 1 hour and approximately 9 minutes duration, shall leave you in no doubt that not only does my brother have mental capacity to authorize me to legally represent him in these or any legal proceedings for that matter, but that he has been authorizing me to do so for the longest of times, and thereby helping to establish the fact that this case and these proceedings have absolutely no legitimacy or merit. I urge you to help have my brother returned back home to me, and I shall not pursue you all for the fraud and corruption I have personally been a witness to throughout these proceedings, given I now live in fear for me and my brother's life and safety. Regards, Mr. S. Hussein. Forwarded message. Date, Wednesday, November 30th, 2022, 14:03. Subject, mental capacity assessment re-th. 2. Dear Judge Wilcox, I write following the hearing this morning to provide you with my brother's mental capacity assessment report of August 2021, last year, when he evidently did have mental capacity to instruct me to act on his behalf. Unfortunately, following our mother's death in January this year, he has become very withdrawn, and I believe today he does lack litigation capacity to conduct these proceedings specifically, notwithstanding that he may still retain full mental capacity in other domains. The current Court of Protection Proceedings number is TH 13,075,257. I hope this assists the court. Regards, Mr. S. Hussein.